Welcome to Auto Express Review. Today we're diving deep into a machine that's turning heads all over again, the new 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S has always been a unique rebel in the cruiser world. Unlike your typical heavy metal cruisers, the Vulcan S is leaner, sharper, and way more dynamic. And in 2025, it returns with upgrades that scream confidence, performance, and attitude. The heart of the beast remains a parallel twin 649C engine, borrowed from the legendary Ninja-650. But this year, it's been retuned for smoother torque delivery and improved fuel efficiency. So yes, you still get the Ninja's soul, wrapped in a cruiser's body. What truly sets the Vulcan S apart is Kawasaki's exclusive ERGO-FIT customization system. The 2025 model continues this trend, offering adjustable foot pegs, seat, and handlebar options to fit riders of all sizes. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, this bike makes you feel like it was designed just for you. Comfort isn't just a feature, it's a promise. And for those long rides, that new gel-padded seat is a game-changer. The 2025 Vulcan S receives a subtle but bold styling refresh. The new matte black finish, with neon green accents, is nothing short of stunning. It feels aggressive, futuristic, and unmistakably Kawasaki. The LED headlight design has also been revised to look sharper and more angular, like a hawk ready to strike. The redesigned fuel tank now holds 15 liters, giving you more range on those weekend getaways. This year's model doesn't just look modern, it rides modern. Kawasaki has added a compact full digital TFT display that syncs with your smartphone through their Rideology app. Want to check notifications, monitor bike stats, or record your riding data? You got it. The 2025 Vulcan S now feels more connected, more intelligent, and way cooler. ABS comes standard, of course, and the upgraded dual-piston calipers offer better braking control even on tricky surfaces. One ride on the Vulcan S, and you'll realize it's not your average laid-back cruiser. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity give it incredible balance, even for new riders. And when you twist that throttle, it leaps ahead with sport bike-like acceleration. The 2025 suspension setup has been fine-tuned for better shock absorption, making every ride smooth and controlled, whether you're zipping through traffic or cruising down a highway. Whether you're a first-time big bike buyer, a daily commuter looking for comfort, or a weekend warrior hungry for some highway freedom, the Vulcan S has something for everyone. And now, with its tech updates, enhanced ergonomics, and that unmistakable Kawasaki edge, it's more irresistible than ever. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, at around 7.2 rupees to 7.5 rupees Lackey X showroom. Yes, it's a premium cruiser, but when you factor in the performance, tech, design, and comfort, you realize you're not just buying a motorcycle, you're buying a lifestyle. As promised, here's the surprise you waited for. Kawasaki is planning to launch a special Dark Phantom edition of the 2025 Vulcan S exclusively for the Indian market. This limited edition will feature a stealth matte black finish with red racing stripes, exclusive badging, and a factory-installed short windshield and touring seat, at no extra cost for early buyers. Only 500 units will be available, and it will be launched through a special pre-booking campaign in select cities. If you wanted to stand out in the cruiser crowd, this is your moment. The new 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It blends power, comfort, style, and intelligence into one seductive machine that speaks to the modern Indian rider. And with the limited edition Dark Phantom on the horizon, the hype just became real. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Express Review for more thrilling updates, reviews, and surprises from the world of bikes. See you in the next video.